Good morning. Bit of a grey one. And come lunchtime, it's supposed to be thunder and lightning. Now there is a big car show on today, but we're not going to go. We're just going to get stuck in that. So we're just going to go out to a little regular car meet that we haven't been to for a good few months. Over Sawbridgeworth, over Bell Street car park. It's all for Takona, all for mental health. They do a mean bacon roll over there. So we will get the car out and see you on the road. Well, we've had a little bit of rain in the night and again this morning, and it looks like, as I just said, there's going to be thunder and lightning about lunchtime, 11:30 lunchtime. So I'm hoping we can get over here and back before that happens. It's a shame I'm missing the big show today, but I really can't be sitting in a field and then the heavens open on me or the car. So we'll just get over here, bacon roll, maybe a couple of cheeky cakes on the way home from the little bakers. We'll see if there's any pies. There probably isn't. Yeah, nice little meet this one. It's nice to get over here. A little puddle side of the road, so we're trying to avoid them. Yes, we are now entering the winter phase of our car exploits, and it will be just the odd car meet, and it will be very much weather dependent. As I said last winter, I will do my best to try and keep up with a Friday 6 PM UK time video drop, but there may be gaps. Who knows? Now there's a big cycling event on today, and I think we go through part of the route, but at this time we may be a bit early, but we may very well encounter them on the way back. I did wonder if the roads would be shut, but then it just says caution cyclists, so I don't think they will shut them. I'm trying to think, the last time that we came over here was probably early part of the year, January, February maybe, I'm not sure. This one starts at 9, it's now 8:30. If you want the middle car park, which is regarded as the best car park for parking, well, I was going to say you need to be there for 8:30, 20 to 9 really, but the weather, because it's a bit wet on the roads, it might put a few off. And then again, there might be a few more that we're going to go to a large event today, but are put off by the fact it's going to rain at lunchtime, so they may be coming here just to get out and somewhere to go for a couple of hours, give the cars a run. I don't know. Seems to be more water on the road the nearer we get. There's the little shop where we get our cakes from. Yeah, there is a lot more water on the road here, the nearer we get to Bell Street, than there was back there. but we're committed now, so I do wonder if this might put a few local cars off from attending today. I think if I'd have known the roads were this wet, I think if the roads were this wet at home, I wouldn't have come out today. We're getting the little odd spot of rain. Regular viewers of the channel will remember that a while back now we had the wipers used to make an awful noise, didn't we? I mean, and I said that they were designed on a Friday afternoon. I mean, they're a lot quieter now, but they're still not as refined as I would have imagined them to be. And for the life of me, I can't remember what the ones were like on my Silver Shadow. Probably less refined than this. Oh God. You could right hear the pain in my voice then, couldn't you? About the dirt and muck that's been thrown up the side and the back of the car. Oh well. We know what we'll be doing for the rest of the day. Well, subject to weather. Oh. And avoid that. The car hasn't seen rain for so long, it'll be saying, what is this stuff? Yeah, it's raining now. Can't see many turning up today. Can't see us being the only one, but I can't see many. It's so annoying and sad, you know, you wait all week to get out in your car to go for a drive to somewhere, and yeah, we'll let him go, he's bigger than us. You wait all week to go, you work all week to go out in your car for a little drive, and then you get hit by weather like this. So depressing. I remember the first couple of times we came here, all those years ago, we used to, a couple of times we overshot the turning. So I didn't have a clue where I was going. to use about today. Well, there's a few here. There's a bit of a turnout. We can get in here today. Just stood at the wall there, eating my bacon roll, and I could hear thunder. Uh-oh. Right, let's have a look, see what's here. A couple of nice little Toyotas. Have a little Morgan just pulled in there as I was finishing the bacon. Nice old 5 Series. Nice Mark 1 Golf GTI. Nice little Porsche. Nice little Hyundai pulling in. Oh, they've got a little 4 Alpines here, look, Alpine Corner. Alpine Corner, I like that. They're nice, aren't they? Yeah, very nice. We'll go over this side. Got an S3, an Audi, BM, then me. Yeah, just been talking to the chap with that nice black Toyota. It's a nice little Lancia there. A few more have turned up now since we've been here. Nice Porsche, look at that. Starting to spit now, the old weather is. That BM, that nice colour BM, we've seen that before. We'll have a quick look around the corner. We'll see what else is here, and then we'll call that it, I think. Nice Carrera there. Let's have a look, see what's around the corner. There's a nice little BM there, but that's about it, and it's starting to rain now. So I think we will make a move. Awful weather, awful weather. Yeah, it's just starting to rain now as we're on our way out. But hey ho, it is what it is. See, they've still not replaced that cash machine straight ahead there, where that telehandler had it pulled out about, must have been winter time now, 6, 7, 8 months ago. I think it was probably something like that. So I'll tell you what, that's worth coming there just for the bacon roll. That proper sets you up, that does. Now the sun's trying to come out. Nice McLaren. Look at that. We've left the meet, now the sun's coming out. Weren't many there today, but I didn't expect many to be there today. So, you know, it is what it is, but gets us out, gives the car a run. That's what it's all about. Gonna stop off for some cake. Be rude not to. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. And we will see you on the next one. Although I'll let this run a little bit to So you can see us pull into the little farm shop, and I'll finish the video so you can have a look at the cakes we've got for the day. But then if you then go out and buy a cake after watching this, I cannot be held responsible for that.